On our last video, or previous ones, we had the number from 1 to 20. So here we're going to continue from 21 to 100. Le nombre de 21 à 100 means the numbers from 21 to 100. We have here 20. 20 means 20. 21. 21 means 21. But we use a to say 21. We say 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 means 30. We say 31. 31 means 31. 31. We will addition the number the same, 32, 33, 34. We have 40. 40. 40 means 40. We have 41. The same way you notice plus 1, we say et un, et un, et un. Means 41. We continue the same way. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. We have 50. 50, 50. We have 51 as 51. The same way we continue. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. 60 means 60. We have 61. 61 means 61. We continue also the same. 62, 63, 64, 64, 5, 66, 67, 68, 69, and then we have 70 as 70. 70. 60 plus 10. 60 is 60, 10 is 10. So we say 70. 71. 60 plus 11. We say 71. So we will addition plus 12 to say 72. So we say 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and we have 80. 80 means 80. 4 by 20. 80. So we have 81. 4 into 20, 81. But here we do not put A. A is for only 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, and 71. But here we do not put A. So you say 81. 81 means 81. You continue 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. We have 90. We say 90. 4 into 20 plus 10. 90. 91. 91. We say 4 into 20 plus 11. We say 91. And then 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100, we say 100. 100. Okay? So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100.